cool.
All right, next up, I jumped a little ahead. Next, we're going to go about into the improved search. I'm really happy about the search. The search on the old website got kind of just gunked up. I don't know what happened, but it started giving you horrible, terrible results all the time and oddball characters and pages that we had discontinued stuff. So the new website, much better results, almost in like an intelligent kind of search. So I'm going to turn it back over to Jamie. She's going to show you like how a search kind of works on the new website.
So at the top of the page, we have our search bar. So you can just type in what you're looking for, and I typed in live view. And you see we have our popular suggestions, our pages, which are our product spotlights or our blog articles, and then we have some products. But if you just press enter, it gives you the search results for the live view. So we have all our products, and we have all our different categories.
The filters on the side, which are just going to get better as more and more people use the website. Can you go back to the top too, because there's something really cool.
Yeah.
And that is, I love the pages feature because now you can go to all the articles, blog posts, and videos.
Yep, so you have everything right here. And then
And let's, before we leave that, let's talk about this page too, because this is kind of cool also. Shopify's got a little AI that they're going to see what people buy, what they spend, what they click on, and what they spend the most time on our website on, following the links. And that's going to make certain things bubble up to the top. So I'm really excited. I think it's a better search than we had before. It's better now than it was a month ago. And come like October, November, it's going to be just amazing. Because I thank you, thousands of people hit our site every day, and that's building that AI information. So I love that. And then what's that categories tab
so then if
for?
you go to the categories, you'll see live view, and you can just click that, and it brings you to the brand page. It gives you a little about live view and all the products.
So if someone were to type into the search one of our category keywords or a brand keyword, it'll take you to that curated page that's got all the stuff set up neatly.